Hello students, we are going to start solving practice set 5.2 of our chapter 5 expansion and formula. We have completed 5.1 exercise. I hope you have practiced the problem. Now this is our second expansion formula, a plus b whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, you have to learn the formula. Now we are going to solve the exercise based on this formula. So first problem of our practice set 5.2 is k plus 4 whole cube. Okay, so we are going to solve with the help of the formula. So first we will write the formula. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, now compare the values. A is equals to k and b is equals to 4. So now put the values in the formula. So we have k plus 4 whole cube is equals to a cube. A's value is k, so it will be k cube plus 3 into, again a is k, so a square means k square, into b is 4 plus 3 into, again a is k, into b is 4, so 4 square plus again b cube, so 4 cube. After substituting the values we have to solve them. So we will get, therefore k plus 4 whole cube is equals to k cube plus 3 4s are 12 into k square plus, now 3 into k into 4 square. 4 square means 4 into 4, that is equals to 16. 16 plus, next is 4 cube, that means 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So we have 64. Therefore k plus 4 whole cube is equals to k cube plus 12k square plus 16 3s are, 16 3s are is 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, 48k plus 64. Okay, so our answer is k plus 4 whole cube is equals to k cube plus 12k square plus 48k plus 64. Students, here you have to remember that 4 square is 4 into 4. What the common mistake students do, they write 4 into 2, that is 8, so it is wrong. Okay, 4 square means 4 into 4, 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. You have to remember this, and also you have to learn the cube. Now we will solve our second problem, 7x plus 8y whole cube. Okay, again we will use the same formula. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, you have to learn the formula, students. Now substitute the values. A we have 7x and b is equals to 8y. So substitute the value in the formula. 7x plus 8y whole cube is equals to a cube, that is 7x. So 7x whole cube plus 3 into a again is 7x. So 7x whole square into b is 8y plus 3 into a is 7x into b square. B is 8y. So 8y whole square plus b cube. So 8y whole cube. Now we are going to solve it. Okay, now 7's cube. Okay, 7's cube, so that means 7 into 7, that is equals to 49. 49 multiplied by 7, 7 9s are 63, carry 6, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 is 34. So 7's cube we have 3 4 3, and x cube will be x cube plus 3 into 7 square, so 7 7s are 49, into x square will be x square into 8y plus 3 7s is 21, x into 8 square, so 8 8s is 64 and y square plus 8's cube. Okay, 8's cube is 8 into 8, that is 64. 64 multiplied by 8. So 8 4s is 32, carry 3. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 3 is 51. So 8's cube we have 512 and y cube. Okay, now solve further. So 343 x cube plus, now we have to multiply 3 into 49 into 8. Okay, so 49 into 3. So 3 9s is 27, carry 2. 3 4s is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 147 multiplied by 8. 7 8s is 56, carry 5. 8 4s is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. 7 down, 3 carry. 8 1s is 8. Plus 3 will be 11. So we have 1176 x square y, x square and y plus, now next is 21 into 64. So 64 multiplied by 21. 4 1s are 4, 6 1s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. So 1 3 4 4 x and y square plus, what is left? 512 y cube. So our answer is 7x plus 8y whole cube is equals to 343 x cube plus 1176 y x square y plus 1344 x y square plus 512 y cube. Okay, now third one you have 7 plus m whole cube. Okay, so you can try it with your own as homework. Okay, you try it as homework. It is same as first one. Instead of here we have a is equals to k, so you will have a is equals to 7 and b is equals to m. Simply putting in the formula you can solve the problem. Now we will move toward the fourth one. Fourth one we have 52 whole cube. Okay, so we have to break 52. First you have to break 52. So how you can break 52? You can write 52 as 50 plus 2. Okay, so we will break the 52, or we will split 52 into two terms, 50 plus 2 and whole cube. Now we have two terms, so we will take the formula a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Okay, now a's value is 50 and b's value is 2. Okay, you have a's value is 50 and b's value is equals to 2. Now substitute the values in the formula. So 50 plus 2 whole cube is equals to, okay, a is 50, so 50 cube plus 3 into, again a is 50, so a square will be 50 square into b is 2 plus 3 into a is 50, b is b square, b is 2, so 2 square plus b cube, again b is 2, so 2 cube. Now solve it. So we have 50 cube. So okay, we will find now 50's cube. So 50 multiplied by 50, so 5 5s are 25, add 2 zeros at the back, so 50 multiplied by 50 is 2500. Okay, now multiply again by 50, we have to find the cube. So 1 2 3, 3 zeros at the back. Now multiply by 5, 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have 1,25,000. So 1,25,000. Okay, plus 3 into 50 square is 2500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square is 4 plus 2's cube is 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. Okay, now solve further. So we have 1,25,000 plus 3 2's are 6. 6 multiplied by 2500 multiplied by 6. So 0 0, 6 5's are 30, 6 2's are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, so we have 15,000 plus here 3 4's are 12. 12 multiplied by 50. So 0 12 5 12's are or 12 5's are is 60. So we have 600 plus 8. Okay, now you have to add. So 1,25,000. Okay, start writing from the back, from one's place. 15,000, then 600, then 8. Okay, now add them. 8 0 6 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4 and 1. So we have answer as 1,40,608. 1,40,608. So our answer is 52 whole cube is equals to 1,40,608. Okay, now we will solve the fifth problem. It is same as the fourth one. Okay, now again we have to break. 101 is there, so again you have to break. So you can write it as 100 plus 1. Okay, 100 plus 1 whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, whenever you are breaking it or splitting it, suppose it is 52, so you have to break 50 plus 2. If it is 101, you have to break 100 plus 1. You have to take 50, 100, okay, multiples of 0, multiple of 10. Okay, you have to take multiple of 10 while breaking. If it is 64, you have to break 60 plus 4. Understood? So 101 is there, so 100 plus 1 whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, our expansion formula for a plus b the whole cube. Now a is equals to 100 and b is equals to 1. Now substitute the values in the formula. So we have 100 plus 1 whole cube is equals to a cube. A is 100, so 100's cube plus 3 into a square, that is 100 square, into b is 1 plus 3 into again a is 100, b square, that is 1 square, plus b cube, that is 1 whole cube. Now solve it. Okay, 1's cube will be 1, or you can try it as 100 into 100 into 100. So 1 into 1 into 1 will be 1 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. How many zeros you have to put? 6 zeros behind 1. So we have 1 and 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus here 3 into 100 square. That is 100 into 100. So 1 into 1 will be 1. 4 zeros behind. So 1 into 4 zeros into 1 plus 3 into 100. 1 square is 1 only and 1's cube is 1 only. Okay, you multiply how many times 1? It will come as 1 only. So 1 square is 1 and 1's cube is also 1. So we have 10 lakhs plus 3 into 10,000 will be 30,000 plus 300 plus 1. Now you have to add. So add. It is 10 lakh Then start writing from ones place. 0 0 0 3 0 0 3 plus 1. So 1 0 3 0 3 0 1. So we have 10,30,301. So our answer is 101 whole cube is equals to 10,30,301. Okay students, now we will solve sixth one. It is x plus 1 upon x whole cube. Okay, now again we are going to use the same expansion formula, a plus b whole cube. So it is a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Okay, now a's value is x and b's value is 1 upon x. Okay, now put the values in the formula. So we have x plus 1 upon x whole cube is equals to a cube. A is x, so x cube plus 3 into a square, again a is x, so x square, into b, b is 1 upon x, plus 3 into a is again x into b square means b is 1 upon x, so 1 upon x whole square, plus b cube, b's value is 1 upon x, so 1 upon x whole cube. Okay, now solve it. So we have x cube plus 3 x square, you can write x into 1 upon x, plus 3 into x into 1 upon x square, you can write it as 1 upon x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x whole cube. Okay, so it will be x cube plus, here you can cancel 1x with the other, so we have 3 into x into 1, that is equals to 3x, plus here also you can cancel 1x, so here we have 3 into 1 into 1, that is 3 upon x, plus 1's cube is 1 only and x cube will be x cube. So our answer is x plus 1 upon x whole cube is equals to x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. Now we will solve the seventh one. It is 2m plus 1 upon 5 whole cube. Okay, again we have to use the same expansion formula, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Okay, now again see the values, a is equals to 2m and b is equals to 1 upon 5. Okay, now substitute the values in the formula. So we have 2m plus 1 upon 5 whole cube is equals to a cube, a's value is 2m, so 2m whole cube plus 3 into again a square, a's value is 2m, so 2m whole square into b is 1 upon 5 plus 3 into a is 2m into b square 1 upon 5 whole square plus b cube, b is 1 upon 5, so 1 upon 5 whole cube. Okay, now we are going to solve it. So 2's cube means 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 m cube plus 3 into 2 square, 2 into 2 4, m square will be m square into 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m into 1 square will be 1 and 5 square will be 5 5s are 25 plus 1's cube will be 1 and 5's cube 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 will be 125, so 5's cube is 125. Okay, solve further. 8 m cube plus 3 4s are 12, 12 into 1 will be 12, so 12 m square upon 5 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 into 1 will be 6 upon 25 and m plus 1 upon 125. So our answer is 2m plus 1 upon 5 whole cube is equals to 8m cube plus 12 upon 5m square plus 6 upon 25m plus 1 upon 125. Now we will solve the 8th problem. 5x upon y plus y upon 5x whole cube. So use the expansion formula a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, now compare the values. A is equals to 5x upon y. A is equals to 5x upon y. B is equals to y upon 5x. So B's value is y upon 5x. Now we will substitute the values in the formula. So A 5x upon y plus y upon 5x whole cube is equals to a cube. A's value is 5x upon y. So 5x upon y whole cube plus 3 into a square. Again 5x upon y. So 5x upon y whole square into b is y upon 5x plus 3 into a. A is again 5x upon y into b square, that is y upon 5x whole square plus b cube. B is y upon 5x whole cube. Okay, now we are going to solve it. So 5's cube is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 into, now this is 5x upon y whole square, so we can write it as 5x upon y into 5x upon y into y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y into, again here y upon 5x whole square is there, so we can write it as y upon 5x into y upon 5x. Okay, now plus y cube upon y cube upon 5's cube is again 125 and x cube will be x cube. Okay, now see here some values are going to cancel, so you can cancel y with y and 5x with 5x. Again here y with y and 5x with 5x. So now see what is left out. 125 x cube upon y cube plus 5 3s are 15 x upon y plus here 3 into y, 3 upon 5 y upon x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. So we have 120. So our answer is 125 x cube upon y cube plus 15 x upon y plus 3 by 5 into y upon x plus x cube y cube upon 125 x cube.